Hello, this is your host Amod, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sticky header in GeneratePress. Let's go. This is a site, and now you can see it's a header, but it's not sticky. So let's make a sticky header. Okay. So first, before make anything, make sure your GP Premium should be active, and this option menu plus should be active. Okay, after that we can go to in customize section. So I'm going to open this in new tab. Inside this customization option, we have to go on layout section, and we have to go sticky navigation, this section. Now this is turned off, so if we click here, then we can see 4 options: mobile only, desktop only, on and off. So we can use this for a specific device like desktop, like mobile, or we can use it for whole device if we select on. Okay, so now I'm going to show, and I'm going to select only for desktop. So desktop only I've selected, and now after selecting this, you can see the transition section is come up here. So there is 2 transition effect, like fade in and slide in, and another none. So as usual we can use fade in or slide in, so I just keep this fade in transition. Here another option, you can see a checkbox, and hide when scrolling down. This means when we can scroll, then this sticky navigation will not show up here. Okay, hide. So but I think I don't need that thing, so I will not check mark this. Okay, and sticky navigation logo, I have already selected sticky navigation logo, but actually there is when you can come up here, then you can see no logo here, then you have to select your logo. Okay, then publish it. Okay, so now this is your sticky header. You can see it's working fine. If you want to change this header background color, you will not find any options inside the customization section. So we have to do some custom CSS over here. So how we can do this? Okay, let's see. First we have to mouse hover over the sticky header and right click on, and then inspect, click on inspect element, and then you can see the classes over here, nav, sticky, and lots of classes. So maybe you are going to confused. Okay, so in the easiest way to find the exact classes here to put in the background color, just click on here, and after that click on the plus icon. Then you can see nav # sticky _ navigation. So now we can add some CSS class, CSS element. Background color. For example, I just put a CCC as a color, background color. You can use your own hexacode or RGB color. Okay, so now if we right click on here, then we can see the copy rule option. So please copy rule, and then come up the additional CSS and paste it here. So now you can see nav # sticky navigation, and background color is CCC, and then publish it here. And then if you refresh this page, we can see it's a normal header navigation, and when we can do scrolling, and we can see the sticky navigation color already changed, right? And sticky navigation are working fine. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.